Hey, welcome back to your English era.
The podcast where your English stops being something you study and starts being something you actually live.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam, and today is a good one.
It really is, because today we're talking about vocabulary, but not the boring kind.
Not the Apple Book pencil kind.
Not the kind from page 42 of your textbook.
We're talking about the words and phrases that real people use every single day, and that nobody ever taught you.
The ones that make you sound natural. The ones that make native speakers think, wait, this person actually knows English.
And if you're somewhere around B1 or B2 level, this episode is designed specifically for you.
We're going to cover 5 real-life situations today. And at the end of each one, we're going to give you a homework task, something you can actually do at home to practice.
Because listening is great, but doing, that's where the magic happens.
So grab something to drink, get comfortable, and let's get into it.
Let's go.
Okay, situation number 1. You walk into a coffee shop. Maybe it's your first time in an English-speaking country. Maybe you're just watching an American show and you want to understand what's happening.
The barista looks at you and says, "What can I get started for you?"
And your brain just stops.
Because you've never heard that phrase before. You learned "can I help you" in school, but "what can I get started for you?" That's different.
It means exactly the same thing. It's just the way a lot of coffee shops and restaurants in the US say it. It's friendly, it's casual, it's completely normal.
So the first thing we want you to walk away with today is this. English has hundreds of ways to say the same thing. And the more you hear, the less you'll freeze.
Now you're at the counter, you need to order. What do you say?
Let's start with something super basic that a lot of people don't know. The phrase "to go."
To go means you're taking your order with you. You're not sitting down in the...
So you'd say, "Can I get a medium latte to go, please?"
The opposite is for here. I'll have it for here, please. Meaning I'm staying, I'll sit down.
These two little phrases, "to go," "for here," they come up every single time you order food or drinks anywhere in an English-speaking country.
Now here's something else. When you order, try not to say, I want. I know, it's not wrong. But it can come across as a little blunt.
Instead, say "I'd like," as in, "I'd like a black coffee, please."
I'd like is the contraction of I would like. It's polite, it's soft, it's what native speakers say naturally.
And here's a phrase that'll save you when you have no idea what to order.
What do you recommend?
Or even better, what's popular here?
What's popular here works in any restaurant, any food situation. It tells the person, I'm open, I trust you, just point me in the right direction.
One more for the "can I get a refill?"
A refill means more of your drink. You finished your coffee and you want another cup. In many places in the US, drip coffee refills are free.
So you just say, "Excuse me, can I get a refill?" and you're good.
All right, homework time. Are you ready?
Homework number 1, and this one is fun.
We want you to write a short ordering conversation. Pretend you're in a coffee shop. Write at least 6 lines. Include "to go" or "for here." Use "I'd like" instead of "I want," and throw in either "what's popular here" or "can I get a refill."
Write it out, then say it out loud. Then record yourself saying it.
You don't have to share it with anyone. Just hear your own voice saying these phrases. That's how they become yours.
Say it like you mean it.
Exactly. Okay, situation number 2. And this one is so important.
Someone says something and you didn't catch it.
Maybe they spoke too fast. Maybe there was noise around you. Maybe they used a word you've never heard before.
And your instinct is to just say, "What?"
Which is fine. What is fine. But there are so many better options that sound more natural and more polite, and today we're giving them to you.
Option 1, "Sorry, could you say that again?"
Simple, clear, works everywhere. In a store, in a meeting, on the phone.
Option 2, "I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that."
Catch, in this context, doesn't mean catching a ball. It means understanding what was said. I didn't catch that means I didn't hear it clearly enough to understand.
It's one of those verbs that changes meaning completely depending on context. Catch a bus, catch a cold, catch what someone says.
And all 3 are completely different situations.
Option 3, "Could you speak a little more slowly, please?"
This one is important because a lot of intermediate learners feel embarrassed to ask someone to slow down. Don't be. It's completely normal. Even native speakers ask this.
Especially on the phone. Phone English is hard. The audio quality is different. You can't see their face. There are no visual clues.
So on the phone or anytime, could you speak a little more slowly, please? Is your best friend.
Option 4, and this one is a little more advanced. "I'm sorry, could you repeat the last part?"
Notice how specific that is. You're not asking them to repeat everything, just the part you missed. That sounds really natural and confident.
And option 5, sorry, what do you mean by that?
This one is for when you heard the words, but you're not sure what they mean in context. You understood the sounds, but not the message.
Let's do a quick, so you can hear these in action.
Okay, Adam, I'm going to say something and you respond like you didn't catch it.
Ready?
Hey, the event on Saturday is BYOB, just so you know.
Oh, sorry, what does BYOB mean? I'm not familiar with that one.
It means bring your own bottle or bring your own beer. It means the party doesn't provide alcohol, so you bring your own if you want.
Oh, got it, that makes sense. Thanks for the heads up.
See how natural that was? He asked a clarifying question, he got the answer, and the conversation kept moving.
Thanks for the heads up, by the way, means thank you for telling me this in advance. That's another great phrase.
Heads up, as in, I'm giving you a warning before something happens. Heads up, the meeting was moved to 3. Heads up, the road is closed today.
So useful, write that one down.
Homework number 2, write 5 sentences using clarification phrases. Use at least 3 different ones from today. You can make up situations at the supermarket, on the phone with a friend, at work.
Then practice saying them out loud. Pay attention to your tone. These phrases need to sound polite, not frustrated.
Your tone is everything in English. The same word said with the wrong tone can mean something completely different.
Okay, situation number 3. This is one that makes a lot of intermediate learners really nervous.
Small talk at work.
Even saying it makes some people anxious.
But here's the thing, small talk is not meaningless. In English-speaking work cultures, small talk is how you build trust with your colleagues. It's how you become someone people actually like working with.
And you don't need to be funny or clever. You just need a few good phrases and the confidence to use them.
Let's start with the classic opener. Someone walks into the office, they see you, they smile. What do they say?
How's everything going?
And the natural response is not a long story about your life. It's something short and warm.
Pretty good, thanks. Busy week, but good. You?
Busy but good, I love that answer. It's honest, it's relatable, and it invites them to share too.
Another classic answer, can't complain.
Can't complain means things are okay. Not great, not bad, just fine. And it's one of those phrases that sounds really native when you use it.
You can also say living the dream, but said in a slightly sarcastic, funny way. Like things are crazy, but I'm okay with it.
That one's a little more advanced, but you'll hear it a lot.
Now, what do you say when you want to start a conversation, but you're not sure what to talk about?
Try anything exciting going on this weekend.
That question is gold. It's casual, it's not too personal, and it opens the door for them to share as much or as little as they want.
And if they ask you that and you have zero plans,
Which happens to all of us.
just say nothing too crazy, probably just relaxing. What about you? And immediately throw it back to them.
Nothing too crazy. It means your plans are simple, quiet, low-key.
Low-key, calm, understated, not a big deal. I'm having a low-key weekend. It was a low-key dinner, just a few friends.
Another great work small talk topic, the weather. I know it sounds boring. But in the UK especially, weather small talk is basically a national sport.
Can you believe this weather? Said when the weather is doing something unexpected.
It's finally starting to feel like summer. Great for a warm day after a cold week.
I heard there's a big storm coming this weekend. Easy, neutral, anyone can respond to that.
Now, super important. How do you end a small talk conversation politely? Because sometimes people keep talking and you really, genuinely need to get back to work.
You don't want to be rude, but you also have things to do.
Option 1, it was great catching up, I should get back to it.
Get back to it means return to what you were doing, and catching up means you were sharing what's been going on in your lives.
Option 2, let's pick this up later, I've got a deadline.
Pick this up later means let's continue this conversation another time, like you're picking up an object you put down.
Option 3, I'll let you get back to it. This is great because you're putting the excuse on them. You're being considerate of their time, not escaping the conversation.
That last one is so clever. Native speakers use it all the time.
Homework number 3, write 3 small talk exchanges. Each one should have an opening, a short back and forth, and a polite ending. Use at least 2 of the phrases from today.
If you work in an office or study with other people, try one of these conversations for real this week. Even one, just one.
You will feel the difference, I promise.
Okay, situation number 4, running errands.
Running errands, going out to take care of small everyday tasks, grocery shopping, going to the pharmacy, picking something up at the post office.
You're not literally running, you're just doing adult things.
Such fun adult things.
Let's say you're at a grocery store and you're looking for something specific. You can't find it. What do?
You find someone who works there and you say, "Excuse me, do you carry oat milk?"
Do you carry? That means, do you have this item in your store? It's not asking if someone is physically carrying something. It's a store vocabulary phrase.
Do you carry this in a size large? Do you carry organic products?
And if they don't have it, they'll probably say, "I'm sorry, we're out of stock on that."
Out of stock means the item is not available right now because supplies ran out.
The opposite is in stock. Yes, we have that in stock. Is this in stock? Let me check.
Another useful phrase, where can I find the pasta aisle?
Aisle, aisle, and here's the thing, the S is completely silent. You don't say AY, you say I.
This is one of the most commonly mispronounced words in English by Spanish speakers. And now you know.
Say it with me, aisle, aisle.
Good, now another grocery store situation. You're at the checkout and the cashier asks, "Do you have a loyalty card?"
A loyalty card, also called a rewards card, is a card that stores give you to collect points or get discounts when you shop regularly.
If you don't have one, just say, "No, I don't, thanks." Simple.
And if you're paying and there's a problem with your card, you might hear, "I'm sorry, your card was declined."
Declined means the payment didn't go through. The bank rejected it. It's embarrassing, but it happens to everyone.
In that case, you can say, "Oh, let me try a different card," or "Can I pay cash instead?"
Instead, meaning in place of the other option.
Now let's go to the pharmacy. You're looking for something for a headache. You walk in and say,
"Excuse me, where can I find something for a headache?"
The pharmacist might say, "Are you looking for something specific, or would you like a recommendation?"
And you can say, "A recommendation would be great, thanks."
Notice how that works. You're asking for help without knowing the exact product name. That's a totally valid and natural thing to do.
You don't need to know everything. You just need to ask the right questions.
One more at the post office. You want to send a package. You go to the counter and say,
"Hi, I'd like to send this to Colombia, please."
The person might ask, "Would you like standard shipping or express?"
Standard means the normal, slower, cheaper option. Express means faster but more expensive.
Express is also used in everyday life. Can you give me the express version? Meaning, can you tell me quickly just the important parts?
Express, fast, direct, condensed.
Homework number 4, this one is really fun. We want you to write a full errand scenario. Pick one, grocery store, pharmacy, or post office. Write the whole conversation from start to finish. Include at least 4 phrases from today.
Then read it out loud as both characters. Give them different voices if you want. Make it fun.
The more ridiculous you make it, the more you'll remember it.
Situation number 5. And we saved a really juicy one for last.
Expressing emotions in English.
Because saying "I'm happy" and "I'm sad" every single time is like eating plain rice every day. It works, but there's so much more flavor available.
Let's talk about surprise first. Something unexpected happens. What do you say?
Option 1, no way.
Super casual, super common. You can say it when something is unbelievably good or unbelievably bad.
She got the job. No way, that's amazing.
Or they canceled the concert. No way, are you serious?
Option 2, seriously.
One word, huge impact, said with raised eyebrows. It means I genuinely cannot believe what I'm hearing.
Option 3, you're kidding me.
This is stronger than seriously. It means this cannot possibly be true. I refuse to believe it.
They're getting married. You're kidding me.
Option 4, I didn't see that coming.
This is more of a reflective phrase, something you say after the surprise has settled in. It means, I had no idea that was going to happen.
I didn't see that coming is great for storytelling. When you're telling a story and you want to express that a twist completely surprised you.
Now let's talk about frustration. Because life in a second language is full of moments where things don't go as planned.
Option 1, I'm so done with this.
This means I've hit my limit. I have no more patience for this situation.
You'd say it when your keeps disconnecting. When your computer crashes right before you save your work.
I'm so done with this.
Option 2, this is driving me crazy.
Something is bothering you so much that it feels like it's affecting your mental state. This noise is driving me crazy. This traffic is driving me crazy.
Option 3, I can't deal with this right now.
Meaning this is too much for me at this moment. I need a break before I can handle it.
Notice how these 3 phrases have different intensities. I can't deal with this right now is pretty strong. This is driving me crazy is medium. I'm so done with this is you've just had enough.
Now happiness, let's end on a high note.
Option 1, I'm thrilled.
Thrilled means extremely happy and excited. I'm thrilled to be here. She was thrilled about the news.
Option 2, I'm over the moon.
This is an idiom. You're not actually on the moon. It just means you're so happy you could float.
She got into her dream university. She must be over the moon.
Option 3, I couldn't be happier.
Nothing could improve this moment. This is as good as it gets.
And option 4, I'm on cloud 9.
Another happiness idiom. Cloud 9 represents the highest possible feeling of joy.
Idioms are so beautiful when you think about them. Over the moon. Cloud 9. People have been trying to describe happiness by reaching for the sky for centuries.
That is genuinely poetic, Adam.
I have my moments.
Homework number 5. Write an emotional diary entry in English. Describe a moment this week, or an imaginary moment, using at least 5 emotion phrases from today.
It doesn't have to be real. You can make up the whole thing. What matters is that you use the phrases in context.
Today was insane. First, my coffee spilled everywhere. I was so done with it. Then I found out I got the job. I'm over the moon.
Something like that, short. Natural, real emotions, real phrases.
Your English grows when you make it personal.
All right, before we go, let's do a full recap. Situation 1, the coffee shop.
To go and for here. I'd like instead of I want. What's popular here, and can I get a refill?
Situation 2, asking for clarification.
I didn't quite catch that. Could you say that again? Could you speak a little more slowly? What do you mean by that? And bonus, thanks for the heads up.
Situation 3, small talk at work.
Can't complain. Nothing too crazy. Low-key, get back to it. Let's pick this up later. I'll let you get back to it.
Situation 4, running errands.
Do you carry out of stock, in stock, aisle, pronounced I, declined, standard versus express?
Situation 5, emotions.
No way, you're kidding me. I didn't see that coming. I'm so done with this. This is driving me crazy. I'm thrilled, over the moon, on cloud 9.
That is a genuinely incredible amount of vocabulary for one episode.
And here's the most important thing we want you to take away today. You don't need to memorize all of this right now.
You just need to notice it. Start noticing these phrases in shows, in movies, in conversations.
And every time you notice one, your brain files it away. And one day, when you need it, it'll just be there.
That's how fluency actually works. Not overnight, not from one episode, but from showing up again and again and paying attention.
You're doing that right now, just by listening.
So 5 homework tasks. Did you write them all down?
Number 1, write an ordering conversation for a coffee shop.
Number 2, write 5 sentences using clarification phrases.
Number 3, write 3 small talk exchanges with a beginning, middle, and polite ending.
Number 4, write a full errand scenario from start to finish.
Number 5, write an emotional diary entry using at least 5 emotion phrases.
Pick one, do it today. Or all 5 if you're feeling ambitious.
If you do all 5, you are officially in your English era.
That's everything for today. If this episode helped you, share it with one person who's also learning English. Just one. That one share might change their language journey.
And if there's a real situation where you always freeze, a specific moment that makes you nervous in English, send it to us. Tell us about it. We might dedicate a whole episode to exactly that situation.
Because this podcast exists for you. Your struggles, your goals, your progress.
We're your English era. Keep going. You are so much closer than you think.
See you in the next one.
Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification. That way you'll never miss a single episode. See you in the next one.